Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Dreame L20 Ultra robot vacuum, from its standout features to real-world performance. And we'll also look at the pros and cons, so you can decide if this is the perfect addition to your home. The Dreame L20 Ultra is known for its smart navigation and advanced technology, making it a top-tier choice for anyone who values convenience and a truly automated cleaning experience. Dreame E designed this model to tackle everyday messes and handle even larger cleaning challenges with minimal input from you. Let's get right into its features. One of the most impressive features of the Dreame L20 Ultra is its AI-powered mapping system. Equipped with an advanced LiDAR navigation system, this vacuum doesn't just roam aimlessly around your house. Instead, it creates a highly accurate map of your space, optimizing its cleaning path to cover every inch of your floor without missing a spot. This intelligent mapping system allows the L20 Ultra to remember the layout of your home, avoiding furniture obstacles, and even creating customized cleaning zones that you can control through the companion app. You can set no-go zones for those delicate areas or mark high-traffic areas that may need extra attention. The Dreame L20 Ultra doesn't skimp on suction power. With a maximum suction level of 7,000 pascals, this robot vacuum can handle a range of debris from dust and pet hair to larger particles like crumbs. Unlike some robot vacuums that struggle on different surfaces, the L20 Ultra is equipped with a brush system that automatically adjusts depending on the floor type. It detects carpets boost suction for a deeper clean and transitions back to a quieter mode on hardwood or tile floors. This is a game changer for households with mixed flooring, as the L20 Ultra's suction system is designed to maximize cleaning efficiency without sacrificing battery life. One unique aspect of the Dreame L20 Ultra is its combination of mopping and vacuuming in one device. This model includes a built-in water tank and a detachable mop pad, allowing it to perform wet cleaning on hard floors. This mop function adds an extra layer of cleanliness, especially useful for tackling sticky spots or dried-up stains. The L20 Ultra's intelligent design enables it to recognize carpeted areas and automatically lift the mop so it doesn't get your carpets wet. The Dreame L20 Ultra truly aims for low-maintenance cleaning. It comes with an auto-empty station that automatically clears the dustbin when it docks. This means you don't have to worry about manually emptying the vacuum after each cleaning session. The station's dust bag has enough capacity to hold weeks of debris depending on your cleaning frequency. For pet owners or anyone with allergies, this feature is especially useful as it minimizes contact with dust and allergens, making it a more hygienic option. Dreame designed the L20 Ultra with a focus on efficient cleaning routes. Its adaptive path planning algorithm analyzes the best route for your floor plan. Instead of randomly moving from room to room, it optimizes its path, ensuring it cleans each space systematically. This efficiency isn't just about speed. It also conserves battery power, meaning the vacuum can cover more area in a single charge. It also has a smart recharge and resume function. If the battery is running low, it'll automatically dock to recharge and then pick up where it left off, ensuring a thorough clean every time. With the Dreame L20 Ultra, you have complete control at your fingertips. Through the Dreame app, you can start stop schedule and monitor cleaning sessions from anywhere. The app gives real-time updates on cleaning progress and battery levels, and it allows you to set custom cleaning zones. For added convenience, it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it hands-free. Whether you're setting it to clean while you're away or giving it a voice command while doing chores, the app integration offers incredible flexibility. Let's take a moment to talk about the major advantages of the Dreame L20 Ultra. First, the power and performance of its 7,000 pascal suction and adaptive brush system make it highly efficient on all floor types. For pet owners or anyone dealing with lots of hair and dust, this level of suction ensures a more thorough clean than many standard vacuums. Another huge pro is the dual mop and vacuum function, which means you get a complete clean on hard floors without needing separate devices. The intelligent mapping system and adaptive path planning ensure that the L20 Ultra covers your entire space, methodically reducing missed spots and increasing efficiency. One of the standout features has to be the auto-empty station, which is ideal for anyone who doesn't want the hassle of frequent emptying. Combined with app and voice controls, the L20 Ultra offers an incredibly user-friendly experience that puts convenience first. While the Dreame L20 Ultra is packed with features, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. One con is the price. The Dreame L20 Ultra sits at the premium end of the robot vacuum market, and while it does offer a lot, it may be an investment beyond what some users are looking for. Another con is that while it has a great mop function, it's best for maintenance mopping rather than tackling heavy stains or sticky spills. You may still need to occasionally go over tougher areas with a traditional mop for a deeper clean. Some users have also noted that although the app is generally intuitive, it can have connectivity issues on certain Wi-Fi networks, which can be a minor frustration for those relying heavily on remote control features. Lastly, while the auto-empty station is convenient, its dust bags need periodic replacement, adding a small but ongoing maintenance cost. So how does the Dreame L20 Ultra perform in everyday use? One of the standout aspects is how well it handles pet hair. Many users have noted that it does an excellent job of lifting pet hair from carpets and capturing dust that settles in hard-to-reach corners. The transition from carpet to hardwood is seamless, and the vacuum is able to boost suction automatically when it detects a need for deeper cleaning. For anyone with pets or young kids who need a clean space consistently, the L20 Ultra's performance in picking up fine dust hair and small debris is truly impressive. The mopping feature adds an extra layer of convenience for those with hard floors, keeping them cleaner than a dry vacuum alone would. In terms of navigation, the Dreame L20 Ultra's obstacle avoidance is among the best. It maneuvers around furniture and avoids small obstacles such as pet toys or shoes. Users report that it's able to navigate complex spaces without much intervention, which is a testament to its advanced AI mapping and navigation technology. The adaptive path planning and recharge and resume capabilities also mean it can handle larger homes without requiring manual recharging. Battery life is another strong point for the Dreame L20 Ultra. It offers up to 180 minutes of runtime on a full charge, allowing it to clean large spaces without needing to dock. If it does run low during a cleaning session, it'll automatically return to the charging station recharge and resume cleaning from where it left off. This is ideal for anyone who doesn't want to worry about manually starting the vacuum multiple times throughout the day. The Dreame L20 Ultra is more than just a robot vacuum. It's a cleaning powerhouse designed for modern homes. For those willing to invest in a high-performance robot vacuum with both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, the Dreame L20 Ultra is a top-tier choice. It's ideal for pet owners, busy households, or anyone who wants to reduce the amount of hands-on cleaning required to maintain a spotless home. The combination of advanced mapping, powerful suction, intelligent mopping, and the convenience of an auto-empty station makes it an appealing option for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. In summary, the Dreame L20 Ultra brings together power, intelligence, and convenience in one sleek package. From its precise navigation to its efficient cleaning capabilities, this robot vacuum is built to handle everyday messes with ease. Whether you're tackling pet hair, want a thorough mop, or simply need a low-maintenance solution, the Dreame L20 Ultra offers impressive performance across the board. So if you're in the market for a reliable and high-tech robot vacuum, the Dreame L20 Ultra might just be the perfect choice for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!